How to log out of a Netflix account. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can log out of a Netflix account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. To log out of a Netflix account, go ahead and then launch the Netflix application. Here, assuming that you are currently logged into your account, right? What do you do if you wish to log out? Now to log out, what you have to do is tap on the My Netflix icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. When you tap the My Netflix icon from the bottom right, what you have to do is tap on the three lines icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then when you tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side, right over here at the bottom, you can see the sign out button. So when you tap on the sign out button, then you will be successfully signed out of your Netflix account. This way you can log out of a Netflix account. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.